So at the end of chapter number 4, now we will go through the 1 mark questions based on chapter number 4 through PPT questions with answers we will discuss, right, with the help of a PPT, so that will help you for your exam point of view. So chapter number 4, data structure. One mark questions and answers. According to blueprint, in your annual exam, question number 3 in 1 mark will be from this chapter. Now, the first question: what is a data structure? What is a data structure? Data structure is the way of collecting and organizing the data in such a way that we can perform operations on these data in an effective way. This is one definition. And one more definition is data structure is a specialized format for storing and organizing the data. Question number 2. What are primitive data structures? What are primitive data structures? The answer is data structures that are directly operated upon by the machine level instructions are known as primitive data structures. Primitive data structures are the data structures that are directly operated upon by the machine level instructions are known as primitive data structures. Example in float, etc. Okay, next question is that. Okay. Question number 3. Give any 2 examples for primitive data structures. The answer is integers, float, character data, pointers are the primitive data structures. Question number 4. What are non-primitive data structures? The data structures that are derived from the primitive data structures are called as non-primitive data structures. Non-primitive data structure means these are derived from the primitive data structures. They are called as non-primitive data structures. Next question. Question number 5. Mention any 2 examples for non-primitive data structures. 2 examples for non-primitive data structures: arrays, stacks, queues, linked list, tree, and graph are non-primitive data structures. You can mention only 2, it is enough. I listed 4 here. Out of this, you can mention any 2 according to the question. Then next, question number 6. What are lists? Lists are linear collection of data items. Lists are linear collection of data items. Next, question number 7. What is meant by linear data structure? The answer is linear data structures are kind of data structures that have homogeneous elements. Linear data structures are the type of data structures that have a homogeneous type of elements. Question number 8. What are non-linear data structures? The answer is a non-linear data structures are the data structures in which data item is connected to several other data items. One data item is connected to several other data items are called as non-linear data structures. Then, question number 9. Define an array. An array is an ordered collection of elements of same data type that share common name. This one definition. You can write one more definition. Array is a collection of homogeneous type of elements with the same name is called as array. Either of that you can write. Then question number 10. Differentiate between one-dimensional and two-dimensional array. In one-dimensional array, we use only one subscript to identify an element, whereas in two-dimensional arrays, we use two subscripts. Single-dimensional arrays, one-dimensional array, double-dimensional arrays, two-dimensional arrays. That we have tried it in a sentence. Then, question number 11. What do you mean by traversal operation? Answer. The process of accessing each element exactly once to perform some operation is called as traversal. Next, question number 12. Define searching. Searching is the process of finding the location of a data element in the given collection of data elements is called as searching. Or one more definition, is a process of finding the location of an element in an array is called as searching. Next, question number 13. Mention the types of searching in the array. First one is linear search and second one is binary search. There are two searching methods we are studying in our syllabus. Next, question number 14. Define sorting. Sorting is the process of arrangement of data elements in ascending or descending order. What is sorting? The process of arrangement of data elements in some order, that is either ascending order or descending order, is called as sorting. Next, question number 15. What is a stack? A stack is ordered collection of items in which an element may be inserted or deleted only at same end. Stack is an ordered collection of items in which the insertion and deletion can take place from the same end, that is top. Then question number 16. Name the data structure which is called LIFO, L-I-F-O, LIFO. That is last in first out. A LIFO, last in first out data structure, is also called as stack. The principle of stack is stack follows the principle of last in first out because it has only one end, that is top. That's why it is also called as stack. Stack is a data structure which follows the principle of last in first out. Then question number 17. What is LIFO list? A stack data structure which follows last in first out list principle. It is a principle. Then question number 18. What are the operations that can be performed on stacks? Listing the stack operations. One is stack, next push of item, next pop, next peek, next is empty, and last size. These are the operations which we can perform on stacks. Then question number 19. Define the term push and pop operation in stack. It will define push and pop consent to stack. First, push. The process of adding one element or item to the stack is known as push operation. Push means inserting or adding an element into the stack is called as push. The next, pop operation. The process of deleting one element or item from the stack is known as pop operation. It means removal of an element from the stack is known as pop operation. Then question number 20. Mention any one application of stacks. It is used to reverse a word or reverse a string. The second, undo mechanism in text editor. Next, polish notation. You can write any one according to question. Next, question number 21. What is a queue? A queue is an ordered collection of items where an item is inserted at one end called the rear and an existing item is removed at the other end called the front. What is queue? Queue is an ordered collection of items where insertion takes place from rear end and deletion takes place from the front end. Next, question number 22. What is the other name of queue? Answer. The another or other name of queue is F5, F4. F5, F4. That is first in, first out. Next, question number 23. What is FIFO list? The FIFO list, the first element added to the list will be the first one to be removed. This is the principle of queue. In queue, the element, whichever element we have inserted first, that will be removed first. That's why this called as first in, first out. This is the principle. Queue follows the principle of FIFO. Then question number 24. Mention the different types of queues. The different types of queues are linear queue, circular queue. For linear queues, sometimes we call it as simple queue or only queue, then double-ended queue, that is DQ, then priority queue. Then question number 25. What are the operations that can be performed on queue? The operations which we can perform on queue are queue, next NQ of item, next DQ, next is empty, and last size. Question number 26. What is a linked list? A linked list is a linear collection of data elements called nodes. Question number 27. Which data structure creates relationship between data elements through links? Answer. Linked list is the data structure which creates relationship between data elements through links. Question number 28. What is binary tree? A binary tree is an ordered tree in which each internal node can have maximum of 2 child nodes connected to it. It may have 1, but it should not exceed more than 2. Question number 29. What do you mean by depth of a tree? The height or depth of a tree is defined to be the maximum number of nodes in a branch of tree. The last question, that is question number 30. How do you find the degree of tree? The degree of tree is the maximum degree of nodes in the tree. The degree of node is the maximum number of children that can exist for a node, right? So these are the 1 mark questions related to chapter number 4. Thank you, one and all.